It's your girl Caira. I'm not going to do too much talking, just going to jump right into this. So obviously I just sprayed my roots with some, I don't even know, I'll listen to the description, but I had just washed my hair not too long before this, so it was still damp. I comb out my roots as well, and right here what you're seeing is me just twisting. Personally, I twist clockwise. Just go with whatever pattern that your lock is already twisting to. I really don't know if it matters if you were to like twist the other way, if you were, fully locked, of course. But yeah, so just twist whatever way you twist. And what you're seeing with me pulling the little pieces of hair, that's just like little pieces from the other lock that crossed over. So I'm just making sure, that I'm separating those stray hairs. But of course, don't do any pulling on your locks if your hair is not wet or damp. So
also, just throughout the video, you will see me doing some twisting with the locks, like after I had already retwisted the root. And pretty much what that is when I retwist, I use very light oils so it does not hold the root, really tight until it's dry. So what I'm doing is just making sure that it's twisted nicely. That way when I tie it back in the rubber band, don't ask me why I decided to use rubber bands this time, but that way the retwist will be tight. That makes sense.
and then just the last little, piece here. When you see me twist like two locks together, I'm not really twisting them together. I'm just wrapping them around each other. That way that that root can stay a little bit better, if that makes sense. So no, I'm not doing two strand twists or anything like that. I'm just sitting them there like that before I tie them up, back in the rubber band.
Wait, guys, don't leave. Just chill. I'll show you some cool stuff.
It's RSN. Bye.